Are you ready to elevate your home entertainment experience to the next level? The 77-inch LG OLED evo C4 is a powerhouse in the world of smart TVs, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek design to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience. Whether you're a movie buff, gaming enthusiast, or simply love binge-watching your favorite shows, this TV promises to impress. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this model a standout choice for your entertainment needs. The LG C4 boasts a minimalist and modern design that seamlessly integrates into any living room decor. Its ultra-thin profile at just 1.9 inches thick without the stand makes it perfect for wall mounting. The TV's nearly bezel-less screen ensures an immersive viewing experience, with the focus entirely on the content. The stand, which is sturdy yet elegant, complements the overall aesthetics of the TV, making it a centerpiece in your home entertainment setup. Ready to upgrade your viewing experience? Check out the LG C4 on Amazon and make it yours today. The display of the LG C4 is where this TV truly shines. The 77-inch 4K OLED panel delivers stunning picture quality with perfect blacks and infinite contrast, thanks to the self-lit pixels. This technology allows each pixel to independently turn on and off, resulting in deep blacks and vibrant colors that make every scene come to life. The TV supports a native refresh rate of 120Hz, which can be pushed to 144Hz for an even smoother experience, especially beneficial for gamers. With Dolby Vision and HDR10 support, the LG C4 ensures that you get the most out of high dynamic range content, offering exceptional brightness and contrast. The TV's wide viewing angles mean that you can enjoy the same picture quality from virtually any seat in the room, making it perfect for family movie nights or sports events. Don't miss out on the latest tech reviews and unboxing videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. The audio experience on the LG C4 is equally impressive. Equipped with a 2.2 channel speaker system delivering a total of 40 watts, the TV provides clear and powerful sound. The inclusion of Dolby Atmos creates a three-dimensional sound field, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. AI Sound Pro further enhances the audio by adjusting the sound settings based on the content you're watching, ensuring optimal audio quality whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or listening to music. For those looking to expand their audio setup, the TV is Bluetooth Surround ready and WiSA ready, allowing for wireless connection to compatible speakers and soundbars. The eARC feature ensures high-quality audio transmission, making it easier to set up a home theater system. Enjoying this review? Give us a thumbs up and like the video to show your support. The LG C4 runs on the latest version of LG's WebOS, providing a user-friendly and responsive interface. The Smart TV features include a wide range of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and more, ensuring you have access to all your favorite content. The TV supports multiple voice assistants, including Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control and integration with other smart home devices. The 4 HDMI 2.1 ports ensure future-proof connectivity, supporting features like 4K at 120Hz, variable refresh rate (VRR), and auto low latency mode (ALLM), making it an excellent choice for gamers. The inclusion of USB ports, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 5 ensures you have multiple options for connecting external devices and accessing the internet. What do you think of the LG C4? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As with any product, the LG C4 has its strengths and areas for improvement. The cons: high price point, limited brightness in very bright rooms, risk of burn-in with static images. While there are a few downsides to consider, this model offers a multitude of advantages that make it a worthy investment. The pros: exceptional picture quality with perfect blacks and vibrant colors, advanced gaming features, comprehensive smart TV capabilities, superior audio performance. The LG C4 is a top-tier OLED TV that excels in delivering outstanding picture quality, advanced gaming features, and comprehensive smart capabilities. While it comes at a premium price, the investment is justified by the immersive viewing experience and cutting-edge technology it offers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and check out the Amazon link in the description to learn more about the LG C4. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.